switch from the taxi stand, daddy. Everything up here now. Yeah, man, ready, man. We not itch, dog. We not itch. Yo, I link you back. Yo, one. Go in there, dog. One. Come in, man. Sit down right there. One. Come there, brother. Yo, I make sure I have the money too, you know.
No, I can't go in there so
I
pull up.
You can't reach in there. Go in there, Mama. Listen. Mama, right there. You got to sit up right there. Move it. Come in. Go over the youth. Yo, one more. Come in. Take your time. All right, one more. Give me one now. Big, you can't fit right. That's a bit. I hold it for space. That's a bit. Come in. One more. Come in, handicap. Come in. One more, my general. Yo, already, brother. For you another one, brother.
You see that one, yeah? After them boy, when they beat up the woman, them and fuck off the little people, them and kill them off, you know. Let me tell you, say. Sister, Kwana, I no come to cause no drama, me no afraid to pass. Better fight, put fire upon informer from your rape, you is a gunner. When you sing me rise the llama, when you pull up with me ganja. Hey, and then me turban up, me natty and me lace up me clock. Step in the street from boy face, it kick off. We no joke, we no laugh, from your rape, you part. Million woman march. Fire mama turn up, see them skin a burn up. Fund them with the fire, hot water in a thermos. Now why you know me serious, it's how you look so nervous. You rape the little that and then you kill us and speak up. Tie you up in a the square and pick out your fingernail. If you put your follow in a little a big girl, tie you up in a the square, pick out your fingernail. If you rape the juvenile boy, you hear. Hey, Sister Kwana, me no come to cause no drama, we no pretty part. Pedophile put fire, I swallow a China, me I tell them say look out for the one there. No fire step pedophile boy there, you step one beat there.
Jamaicans always hide when them get the barrel them from foreign, but if you want to know when a man get barrel, look out for them, yeah. Them a go have enough Irish Spring on them yard. Irish Spring for paid, Irish Spring for wash clothes, Irish Spring for wash plate. From you see a Jamaican with enough Irish Spring, barrel just come. Once you see them here, you know what go on. When you go into the bathroom and you see all 4 or 5 of them here, brand new, barrel just come. When you go in a Jamaican bathroom and you see them here stack up, Colgate stack up, just know them just get a barrel. But these are the #1 thing. From you see this, the Libby's Vienna sausage, from you see this in a Jamaican household, just know them just get a barrel. Barrel fresh. Because them are always done for. So once you see them in the kitchen, in the room or anywhere in a Jamaican house, just know so them just get them out of a barrel.
Yeah, some boy love chat about how much they love girl with blood clot title. You see me no promise no boy no title if he can't swim in blood clot drown. Put on a life jacket or drown.
Blood clot. I'm gonna need help. So when you give me some I loving.
Lieutenant, we're in the middle of a military war.
Your pussy fuck. Lieutenant! Blood clot. Shut fuck Ramil. Last man shot. Lieutenant!
I'm gonna inject you with some military vaccine.
Boy, go inject your mama.
The side effects gonna make you a little horny.
You know say I'm a batty boy for a long time.
Lieutenant, what's wrong with?
Incoming!
Lieutenant, breed me.
Me's a freaky gal. Me's a very freaky gal. Me even I got talk my business. But me like when me have sex and my man strangle and tie me up like goat. Make all when we in April me a ball out.
What does D taste like?
What?
What does D taste like?
What is B?
D.
D?
Yeah.
Me no know happy pum pum me suck.
What are we doing?
National flower.
Yeah, what is Jamaica's national flower?
Dumpling.
Leon, skin pretty. Leon, how much of her? Chigan, back it up. Leland, call your love. Demon, now the work. Bigger, your whole done spot the head. Brilliant. Leon, skin pretty. Leon, how much of her? Chigan, back it up. Leland, call your love. Demon, now the work. Bigger, your whole done spot the head. Brilliant.
Then skip past them like that. No strange face, no new friends. We are skip past them like that. If you push we down, we are that with you, don't just come around for food, oh. Want for so long, you never even try for tune on. If one of Dexter girl, them ever cook a lunch, give you know. Bound for see your body down a mad crematorium. Look, me even see you, me even smell you.
From when you're the best, and I don't know, say a whitey, you know. Watch this. From me little and I grow, me say me always free some artists. And now me get to realize them suffer than tomatoes. Oh, you for beat if I go man a talk about, me just a start this. You ready, Tata? Check it out. First of all, me a the lyrical diva. And whosoever disbelieve them, I go turn believer. When the radio start to pivot, then me fix it like a lever. Even though me just the music, you know me like the diva. Watch out. Me lyrics left them with a scar, make them darker than Mufasa. So if you mess me with the mug, you better have your salsa. The boy them start to run and moving faster than a safa. When them system me armor is mas grande que me casa.
Right there. Yeah, man, big up. I mean, man. No, still, man. No, still, man. People say me wicked and shit on me. So what you said? Niggas move. I got the trade. No, still. Niggas don't wanna be fool. That's a no-no. These snitching ass niggas with the low blow. Camera phone on the GoPro.
Hey, you feel the beat, Tata? You feel the beat? Yeah. Alright. Me come to show the whole of them what them not ready for. Me come to beat the beat and grip it even steadier. Me have the style to make them ball and hold them belly. Cause me sit down on the beat and just a fire like a berita. Me come to damage cause them suffer than the porridge. Do it hot and sweet, the savage. And me shred it like a cabbage. The honey to the moon just like a couple after marriage. Me not have no bag of baggage like a student in a college. Walk kick it off, who really want to dead? Me know them they bad like a me when me jam my bed. Me harder than the diamond and them soft like shorty bread. Mama whitey got the lyrics, them was sting like 40 leg. Shh, who come here so fi grab them dinner? Female lyrics wicked like friend killer. Face left in the dirt that me fling them in a seat. They know me striking like Karim Benzema. Me come to show the whole of them what them not ready for. Me come to sit down on the rhythm like a...
Yo, respect keep the baby for me, no dog. Honestly. No worries, sir. I don't need that vacation, I swear. Yeah, wife, you just make sure so they enjoy. I'm the badness,
Yo, Jeffrey, take the mask off for you there. Say, Halloween done, brother.
Which mask? You talk about? Yes, I'm good baby this. What a matter of fact, what the watching? You need to watch.
Oh, yes, sir.
I bite you, I bite more ago. You ugly no blood clot. Let me take a picture. Watch it. You look like a gargoyle. You look like a sound like Smeagol. Master Further. You look like Ninja Man with Bounty Killer bottom lip. You look like Tanto Blacks, Gully Bobs, and Amari in a one. You look like Lilo and Stitch. Blur Punch Battle. You look like Downtown and Rainfall. You look like a bad day. You look like Rose and Mackerel breed. Me I come make your father come take you home car. Is it true Halloween done? Me no want to get heart attack. So me I come go home.
Yeah. That's how I keep this.
Babes.
What you do? Come on here, dog. You're thief.
Babe, you're not giving no money every minute and them something me fear do.
Go on now. Come out from bed and go on now. Look up the things and go on.
But you always do it.
You're thief.
I'm not thief, but you're not giving no money.
Come out from bed and go on now.